Concorde's no more, but boom will soar. In a sea of new technology, tectonic plates are shifting, causing a new earthquake resulting in tsunamis and tidal waves called boom supersonic. The prototype has already been built, and tests are ongoing to achieve Mach 1.7, about twice the jet speed of today's subsonic flights, which means boom can cross the Atlantic in 3.5 hours. We're going back to the Renaissance period of Mach passenger flights when Concorde was the fastest passenger jet in the air, and neighbors hated the sonic boom. Restrictions entertained peaceful dwellings thereafter when Concorde could only fly on certain routes, but the wealthy only cared about getting from here to there, wherever here and there were. The Concorde, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity, was more than just a fast plane. It represented a leap into the future, a time when crossing the Atlantic in mere hours seemed like the dawn of a new era. However, this dream was not without its challenges. The sonic boom, while thrilling for some, was a nuisance for many. This led to stringent restrictions on where the Concorde could fly, limiting its routes and, in turn, its viability. Despite these limitations, Concorde remained a favorite among the wealthy, who valued time over cost. But the plane's high operational expenses, coupled with its aging technology, began to weigh heavily on its future. The tragic crash of Air France Flight 4590 in July 2000 was a turning point. Though the Concorde was eventually cleared to fly again, the confidence of passengers and airlines had been shaken. By 2003, the economic realities and shifting priorities of the aviation industry led to the Concorde's retirement. Its final flight marked the end of an era, leaving behind a legacy of speed, luxury, and the relentless pursuit of progress.
On January 28, 2025, a new chapter was written in the history of aviation. The skies above California's Mojave Desert trembled as the XB-1, a sleek experimental aircraft built by Boom Supersonic, pierced the sound barrier. This marked the first time a civilian aircraft had achieved this feat since the Concorde's final flight in 2003. The successful test flight of the XB-1, affectionately nicknamed Baby Boom, heralds a new era of supersonic travel, one that promises to connect the world faster than ever before. The roar of the XB-1 as it broke the sound barrier was more than just the sound of an aircraft exceeding the speed of sound. It was the sound of progress, of innovation, and of a future where supersonic travel is no longer a relic of the past, but a tangible reality. The successful test flight of the XB-1 is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the team at Boom Supersonic, who dared to dream of a faster, more connected world. This momentous occasion was met with excitement and anticipation from the aviation industry and the public alike. The XB-1's sonic boom echoed across the globe, signaling a revival of supersonic passenger travel. After decades of waiting, the dream of traveling faster than the speed of sound is once again within reach. The stage for this historic flight was set against the backdrop of the Mojave Desert, a place synonymous with aerospace innovation. The XB-1, with test pilot Tristan Geppetto Brandenburg at the helm, took to the skies for its 12th test flight. Conditions were perfect for the groundbreaking attempt. Climbing steadily, the XB-1 reached an altitude of 35,290 feet, a vantage point that offered breathtaking views of the Earth below. Then, with precision and power, the XB-1 pushed past the sound barrier, achieving a speed of Mach 1.1, or approximately 750 miles per hour. For 4 exhilarating minutes, the XB-1 soared through the sky at supersonic speed, etching its name in the annals of aviation history. The flight was a testament to the meticulous planning and engineering prowess of the Boom Supersonic team. Every detail from the aircraft's aerodynamics to the pilot's skill played a crucial role in the success of the mission. The XB-1's ability to break the sound barrier safely and smoothly is a testament to the rigorous testing and refinement that went into its development. The XB-1 is more than just an aircraft, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Its sleek aerodynamic design is optimized for supersonic flight, with every curve and contour meticulously crafted to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. The aircraft's long, pointed nose is a distinctive feature reminiscent of its supersonic predecessors and crucial for navigating the shock waves produced at such high speeds. The XB-1's construction is a testament to cutting-edge materials science. The airframe is built primarily from lightweight and incredibly strong carbon fiber composite materials. This choice of material not only reduces the aircraft's overall weight, allowing for greater speed and fuel efficiency, but also provides the necessary strength and rigidity to withstand the stresses of supersonic flight. The XB-1's cockpit is equipped with an advanced augmented reality system, which provides the pilot with real-time flight data and enhanced situational awareness during takeoff and landing. This technology overlays critical information onto the pilot's view, ensuring optimal visibility and decision-making capabilities, even in challenging conditions. The XB-1 serves as a critical stepping stone for Boom Supersonic's ambitious Overture program. The Overture is envisioned as a sleek, commercially viable supersonic airliner capable of carrying 64 to 80 passengers at a staggering Mach 1.71 or approximately 1,295 miles per hour. Imagine traveling from New York to London in just under 3.5 hours. That's the promise of the Overture. The Overture will be powered by Boom's Symphony propulsion system, a technological marvel designed to be quieter and more fuel-efficient than previous generations of supersonic engines. The Symphony system is also designed for compatibility with sustainable aviation fuel, a key element of Boom's commitment to environmentally responsible supersonic travel. The Overture program has already garnered significant interest from major airlines worldwide, with over 130 orders and pre-orders placed. American Airlines, United Airlines and Japan Airlines are just a few of the carriers eager to offer their passengers the unparalleled speed and convenience of supersonic travel. Breaking barriers, a legacy of supersonic firsts. The successful supersonic flight of the XB-1 is the latest chapter in a long and storied history of supersonic aviation. It's a history marked by daring feats of engineering, groundbreaking technological advancements, and an unwavering human desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. The story of supersonic flight began in 1947 when legendary test pilot Chuck Yeager etched his name into the history books by piloting the experimental Bell X-1 rocket plane past the sound barrier for the first time. Yeager's feat, achieved in the same skies above the Mojave Desert where the XB-1 made its mark, ushered in a new era of high-speed flight and ignited the imaginations of a generation. The Concorde, a technological marvel of its time, made supersonic travel a reality for passengers, albeit a select few, for almost 3 decades. Its sleek design, powerful engines and ability to cruise at twice the speed of sound made it an icon of aviation and a symbol of human ingenuity. The sound of progress, overcoming the challenges of supersonic flight. While the dream of supersonic travel is alluring, the path to making it a reality is not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is mitigating the sonic boom, the thunderous sound produced when an aircraft breaks the sound barrier. Sonic booms can be disruptive to communities on the ground, and regulations prohibit supersonic flight over land in many parts of the world. Boom Supersonic is acutely aware of this challenge and has made it a top priority to mitigate the sonic boom. The XB-1's unique design, with its long, slender fuselage and carefully contoured wings, is specifically engineered to minimize the intensity of the sonic boom. Boom is also exploring advanced technologies like noise-canceling systems and alternative flight paths to further reduce the impact of sonic booms. Another challenge is ensuring the environmental sustainability of supersonic travel. Supersonic aircraft, by their nature, consume more fuel than their subsonic counterparts. Boom Supersonic is committed to developing sustainable solutions for supersonic flight, including the use of sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF. The future of flight, accessible and sustainable supersonic travel. Boom Supersonic envisions a future where supersonic travel is not a luxury reserved for a select few, but a widely accessible and sustainable mode of transportation. The company's goal is to make supersonic flight affordable and readily available to travelers worldwide, connecting the world faster and fostering greater understanding and collaboration across borders. The XB-1's successful supersonic flight is a significant step towards realizing this vision. By proving the viability of its technology and design philosophy, Boom Supersonic is paving the way for a new era of supersonic travel. The lessons learned from the XB-1 program will directly inform the development of the Overture, bringing Boom one step closer to its goal of making supersonic travel accessible to all. However, achieving this vision requires more than just technological advancements. It necessitates a collaborative effort between industry stakeholders, policymakers, and the public. Governments worldwide will need to re-evaluate existing regulations surrounding supersonic flight, striking a balance between fostering innovation and addressing environmental concerns. Boom's vision, connecting the world at Mach speed. Boom Supersonic's vision extends beyond simply building faster airplanes. The company sees supersonic travel as a catalyst for positive change in the world. By drastically reducing travel times, Boom believes it can foster stronger global connections, facilitate international business and collaboration, and make the world feel a little bit smaller. Imagine a world where business leaders can attend meetings on different continents and return home in a single day, where families can visit loved ones across the globe without sacrificing precious vacation time, and where cultural exchanges are facilitated by the ease and speed of supersonic travel. This is the world that Boom Supersonic is striving to create. The company's commitment to environmental sustainability is integral to its vision. Boom understands that the future of aviation must be environmentally responsible, and it is actively exploring and implementing sustainable practices throughout its operations. From using sustainable materials in its aircraft construction to investing in sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, Boom is committed to minimizing its environmental footprint. Beyond the horizon, the enduring allure of supersonic travel. The successful supersonic flight of the XB-1 has rekindled the world's fascination with supersonic travel. It has reminded us that the human spirit of exploration and innovation knows no bounds, and that even the sky is not the limit when it comes to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we look to the future, the allure of supersonic travel remains as strong as ever. The desire to travel faster, to experience new cultures, and to connect with people across vast distances is deeply ingrained in the human spirit. Boom Supersonic, with its innovative technology, unwavering commitment to sustainability, and bold vision for the future, is well positioned to lead the way in this exciting new chapter of aviation. The sonic boom that echoed across the Mojave Desert on January 28, 2025, was more than just the sound of an aircraft breaking the sound barrier. It was the sound of progress, of innovation, and of a future where the world is once again connected at supersonic speed.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your thoughts on the XB-1 in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the future of aviation, be sure to check out my related video on the topic.